Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of basic electrical and electronics engineering. We'll dive into key concepts like balanced and unbalanced supply and loads, relationship between line and phase values for balanced star and delta connections. Slide 1. Balanced and unbalanced supply. Let's begin by understanding the concept of supply in a three-phase system. A balanced supply means that all three-phase voltages have the same magnitude and are equally spaced in time. Specifically, they are 120 degrees apart in phase. This symmetry ensures the smooth functioning of all connected three-phase equipment. In contrast, an unbalanced supply occurs when one or more of the phase voltages differ either in magnitude or in phase angle. This can happen due to faults, damaged lines, or uneven load distribution on the system. The main reason balanced supply is desirable is that it ensures equal load sharing, reduces electrical losses, and avoids heating issues in electrical equipment. On the other hand, unbalanced supply often leads to inefficient operation and possible overheating or vibrations in motors. Example: a balanced supply feeds an industrial three-phase motor with identical voltages in each phase. An unbalanced supply might result from one phase of the generator becoming weak or faulty, leading to differing voltages. Key point: always aim for a balanced supply in industrial systems to maintain performance and safety. Slide 2. Balanced and unbalanced loads. Moving on to loads. A balanced load means the electrical devices connected to each of the three phases draw the same current and have the same impedance. This type of load helps keep the system efficient and stable. An unbalanced load occurs when the connected devices draw different amounts of current or have different impedances in each phase. This leads to unequal current flow and creates problems like voltage drops, noise, and even the flow of current in the neutral wire. When loads are unbalanced, they make the power system less efficient and can cause issues such as flickering lights or abnormal motor operation. Example: a commercial building using identical air conditioners on each phase as a balanced load. A residential home where lights, fans, and a fridge are unevenly distributed across phases forms an unbalanced load. Important note: in three-phase systems, maintaining balanced loads improves performance and reduces maintenance costs. Slide 3. Differences between balanced and unbalanced systems. Let's now clearly differentiate the two system types. 1. Voltage equality. In balanced systems, all three voltages are equal. In unbalanced systems, they are unequal. 2. Current flow. Balanced systems have equal current in each phase. Unbalanced systems have unequal currents. 3. Neutral current. Ideally zero in balanced systems, present and sometimes significant in unbalanced systems. 4. Power sharing. In balanced systems, power is shared equally across phases. In unbalanced, it's uneven. 5. System efficiency. Balanced systems are more efficient, unbalanced ones waste energy. 6. Application type. Balanced systems are standard in industries, unbalanced commonly occur in homes. 7. Heat generation. Balanced systems have even heating. Unbalanced systems often cause excess heating in one or more phases. 8. Analysis complexity. Balanced systems are simpler to calculate and analyze. Unbalanced require complex calculations. 9. Motor behavior. Motors in balanced systems run smoothly. In unbalanced, motors may vibrate or overheat. Encouraging students to spot the difference helps in identifying and fixing real-world electrical faults. Slide 4. Star connection in balanced system. Let's now understand how components are connected in a star connection, also called a connection. In a star connection, one end of each of the three-phase windings is joined together to form a common neutral point. The other ends are connected to the external lines. Phase voltage, VPH, is the voltage between one line and the neutral. Line voltage, VL, is the voltage between any two lines. In a balanced star connection, the relationship is VL equals square root 3 times VPH. Similarly, the line current, IL, is equal to the phase current, if IL equals if. This configuration is commonly used in systems that require both line and neutral connections, for example, in residential power supply. Example: a three-phase generator connected in star provides 230 volts between each line and neutral, and 400 volts between any two lines. Important concept: star connection helps in delivering two voltage levels, phase voltage and line voltage, which is highly useful in distribution systems. Slide 5. Delta connection in balanced system. In a delta connection, the end of one phase is connected to the start of the next, forming a closed loop. No neutral point is present. Here, line voltage, VL, equals phase voltage, VPH. Line current, IL, relates to phase current, if, by IL equals square root 3 times if. Delta connection is ideal for systems that require high starting torque or where there's no need for a neutral wire, such as industrial motors and transformers. Example: large induction motors are typically delta connected for better performance under load. Key benefit: the delta system is more robust for heavy and unbalanced loads, as it maintains phase continuity even if one phase fails. Slide 6. Comparison between star and delta connection. Let's now compare the two connections to clarify their application areas. 1. Connection shape. Star has a central neutral point, delta forms a closed triangle. 2. Voltage relation. Star, VL equals square root 3 times VPH, delta, VL equals VPH. 3. Current relation. Star, IL equals if, delta, IL equals square root 3 times if. 4. Neutral availability, available in star, not available in delta. 5. Use case, star is used in distribution, delta in transmission and motor loads. 6. Insulation needs, lower in star as VPH is less, higher in delta. 7. Starting torque, better in delta for motors. 8. Fault detection, easier in star due to neutral reference. 9. Typical applications: star, residential supply, delta, industrial equipment. Encourage students to visualize these configurations, understand the equations, and relate them to real-world uses. You can draw both circuits and show the relationship of voltages and currents using simple examples.